morning dear friends. Welcome to you in today's video lecture. Dear friends, today we are going to learn the concept of total utility as well as the concept of marginal utility also. Before it, we had seen the concept of utility as well as features types of utility also. Now today we will learn two very important concepts related to the utility, which is known as total utility and marginal utility. So marginal utility and total utility are very important concepts related to the consumer behavior. So first we will discuss the concept of total utility. So total utility refers to the aggregate of utilities derived by consumer from all units of commodity consumed. What is the total utility? So total utility is the aggregate of utilities derived by consumer from all units of a commodity consumed. Now dear student, suppose here we assume that hungry person goes to consume the units of apple. Suppose he has consumed 3 units of apple. How many units of apple consumed by him? First, second and third. So when a hungry person goes to consume units of apple, so first unit, second unit, third unit. So these are the all units of commodity consumed by the consumer. So ये all units of commodity है और all units of commodity से कंज्यूमर को जो यूटिलिटी मिलती है उनका समेशन यानी कि एग्रीगेट इज कॉल्ड एज टोटल यूटिलिटी. So total utility refers to the aggregate of utility derived by consumer from all units of a commodity consumed. In another word, it is an aggregate of utilities. It means total utility is an aggregate of utilities. Aggregate means summation, addition of utilities from all successive unit of commodity consumed. यानी कि कंज्यूमर ने जितने भी यूनिट्स का कंजम्पशन किया है तो वो टोटल यूनिट से उसे मिलने वाली यूटिलिटी उनका समेशन करने के बाद, एडिशन करने के बाद we may obtain total utility derived by consumer from all units of the commodity consumed. Here we will take a very easy example related to the concept of total utility. So total utility, what will be the formula of total utility? On the base of definition which we have seen, total utility is a summation of marginal utility. So total utility is equal to marginal utility of first unit plus marginal utility of second unit plus dash dash plus marginal utility of last unit. Nth unit means last unit. So here we may formulate the concept of total utility also. Total utility is equal to marginal utility of first unit plus marginal utility of second unit plus dash dash plus marginal utility of the last unit consumed by him. In another word, total utility is equal to summation of marginal utility. What will be the another formula? Total utility is equal to summation of marginal utility. Now here we will take an example related to the total utility concept. Total utility is equal to, suppose hungry person goes to consume units of apple. When he consumes first unit of apple which has 10 marginal utility. So marginal utility received by consumer from the first unit of apple is 10. So put the value into formula, marginal utility of first unit plus if he consumes second unit of apple, when he receive 8 marginal utility from the second unit of apple, so marginal utility of second unit 8 plus suppose he has consumed only 3 units of the apple. So third unit will be the nth unit or last unit of apple which consumed by him. So marginal utility of the last unit will be 6. So marginal utility of first unit 10 plus marginal utility of second unit 8 plus marginal utility of the last unit 6. So 10 plus 8 plus 6 is equal 24. What will be the answer? 24, which is called as total utility, which is called as total utility. In we may find it with the help of another formula also. Total utility is a summation of marginal utility. So it is the summation of marginal utility. What will be answer? 24. So total utility refers to the aggregate of utilities derived by consumer from all units of commodity consumed. So in another word, it can be defined as it is an aggregate of utilities from all units of commodity consumed. So in this way we may explain concept of total utility. Then second concept related to the utility, which is known as marginal utility. So marginal utility refers to the additional utility derived by consumer from an additional unit of a commodity consumed. So what is the marginal utility? Marginal utility refers to the additional utility derived by consumer from an additional unit of a commodity consumed. हर एक अतिरिक्त यूनिट के कंजम्पशन के बाद कंज्यूमर को जो एडिशनल यूटिलिटी मिलती है जिसे हम मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी कहते हैं. In another word, it is the addition made by last unit of commodity consumed. In another word, it can be defined as it is the addition made by last unit of a commodity consumed in a total utility. So what will be the marginal utility? So marginal utility is the addition made by last unit of a commodity in total utility. So marginal utility is the utility from the each unit of commodity consumed is also known as marginal utility. Utility from the first unit, utility from the second unit, utility from third unit. So utility from each unit of commodity is also known as marginal utility. So marginal utility refers to the additional utility derived by consumer from an additional unit of a commodity consumed. In another word, we may define it as it is the addition made by last unit. So last unit से total utility में जो addition होता है, that addition made by last unit in total utility is also called as marginal utility. We may explain the concept of marginal utility with the help of formula also. Suppose here, what will be the formula of marginal utility? Marginal utility of n is equal to total utility of n minus total utility of n minus 1. So here marginal utility of n is equal to total utility of n minus total utility of n minus 1 unit. So here TUN means total utility at nth level. nth level यानी कि पर्टिकुलर लेवल पर जो टोटल यूटिलिटी है उसे हम कहेंगे TN. देन टोटल यूटिलिटी n minus 1 is equal to टोटल यूटिलिटी एट प्रीवियस लेवल. सो n लेवल के पहले लेवल पर जो टोटल यूटिलिटी मिलेंगी जिसे हम कहेंगे टोटल यूटिलिटी n minus 1. इट मीन्स टोटल यूटिलिटी एट प्रीवियस लेवल. उसके बिफोर जो लेवल पर जो टोटल यूटिलिटी रहेंगी विच इज कॉल्ड एज टोटल यूटिलिटी ऑफ n minus 1 unit. Then here we may take the example to find out the marginal utility. So total utility at nth level, suppose here we assume that consumer has consumed only 3 units of a commodity. 3 units of commodity is consumed by consumer. So n unit. So n unit means third unit, last unit. So n unit means last unit, third unit पर total utility अब क्या रहेंगी? Suppose first unit which has 10 marginal, which has 10 utility. Second unit consumed by him, he may receive 8 marginal utility from second unit. And if he consume third unit, now here we will consider that third unit will be the last unit of commodity consumed. So 6 utility received from the third unit of commodity. So 10 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 24. So here total utility of nth level will be 24. Then टोटल यूटिलिटी ऑफ n माइनस वन लेवल, इट मीन्स इसके प्रीवियस लेवल पर टोटल यूटिलिटी क्या है. तो सपोज हियर ही हैज कंज्यूम ओनली 3 यूनिट्स ऑफ अ कमोडिटी. So what will be the previous unit? Second unit. What will be the previous unit? Second unit. So at this level, what will be total utility? So total utility at previous level, it means second unit के level पर first units 10 utility, second unit 8 utility. So previous level पर total utility will be 10 plus 8 is equal 18. So total utility n minus 1 is equal to total utility at previous level means 18. So here we have find two values. First one, total utility of n 24, total utility n minus 1 18. It means two values of the formula we have find out here. Now on the base of these two value we may find out marginal utility from n unit. So here put the value into the formula. Total utility n 24, total utility n 24 minus total utility n minus 1. So total utility n minus 1 is been at previous level 18, put the value 18. So 24 minus 18, what will be our formula? Total utility of n minus total utility n minus 1. So 24 minus 18. So answer will be the marginal utility of nth unit. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 6, which is considered as a marginal utility of nth unit or marginal utility of third unit, marginal utility of the last unit. So here we may find out marginal utility with the use of this formula. So here dear student, we have seen two concepts, total utility and another is marginal utility. Total utility means utility is derived by consumer from all units of commodity consumed. Total utility means utility derived by consumer from all units of commodity consumed, and whereas marginal utility means utility derived by consumer from the last unit of a commodity consumed. So here 6 will be the marginal utility of the last unit. 6 will be the marginal utility of the last unit. In another word, we can say that it is a net addition made by last unit in a total utility. Suppose he has consumed only 2 units of a commodity, 2 units of apple, when marginal utility will be 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Now after it, if he consume one more additional unit, so as a result total utility will become 24. So due to the last unit, due to the third unit, total utility increases from 18 to 24. So what will be the net addition in total utility? 18 to 28. What will be the net addition in total utility due to the last unit of commodity consumed? It will be difference between these two value, 24, 18, 6. So 6 will be the net addition made by last unit in total utility, which is considered as a marginal utility of the last unit of commodity consumed. So here, dear student, we have seen the concept of marginal utility with the help of formula also. So here we will stop now. Thank you once again.